Hello friends, welcome back to another training session with BestBull tutorial. In our previous video, we discussed the practical application of the deals window. Today, we will delve into the concept of net deals, which is an essential feature for traders. Net deals are accessed through the button located above and its corresponding window appears below. This tool is particularly useful when trading in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where different trades can have varying prices. The objective is to determine the average open price when multiple trades have been executed for the same script. Let's consider an example. We have made several trades in Bitcoin, each for a different price for 0.1 Bitcoin. Now, we want to calculate the average open price for trades involving script A and C. To accomplish this, we will click on the Net Deals button. In this Net Deals window, we can see our current position is 0.7 Bitcoins. Additionally, the average open price for these trades will be displayed along with the current price and the profit-loss calculation. By utilizing the Net Deals feature, traders can accurately access their open price, enabling them to make informed decisions based on the current market conditions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding the benefits of net deals. This is it for today. We will meet in the next video with another new tutorial so that you can trade with BestBull with